So hi everyone, welcome to the week of love. Though it is 365 days, but yes, we kind of gravitate towards this week or as closer to the 14th February, right? So we're doing four vegan, gluten-free, refined sugar-free jars with desserts. I'm going to start with the lemon curd. Okay, first we're going to make the lemon curd and then make the cheesecake out of it, right? For that, the lemon curd needs to cool down. And guys, all the ingredients, whatever recommended brands is mentioned on the last page of the PDF. Okay, so there's nothing that you're going to miss on. And wherever the swaps are, workable, and I feel I have worked on them confidently, and I can think of it as a direct swap. I want to just talk about it out of completely experience. These are base recipes. From here, you can create your own recipes and do permutation combination with the layers, the way you want to present it and stuff. Okay. So first the lemon curd. So basically, like if you see, you'll be learning a lemon curd as an element in this recipe. Okay, we have tapioca, plant milk. I'm going to be using almond milk in this recipe, which is homemade. I'll share the recipe with y'all how to make your own plant milk. And then lemon juice, lemon zest. So starting with the plant milk, right? This almond milk that I have. Just gonna measure it out. I'm going all the recipes as it is. Right? So approximately 200 ml. To this, I'm going to add tapioca. So basically, we want to create something like a custard. So the thickening agent in this recipe is tapioca. You can swap it to arrowroot or potato starch. Okay, either of the three will work. So you're just going to add this. And mix it in. Okay, just because we don't want lumps, so just mix it in when the milk is still at room temperature. So while that's happening, I'm going to take some lemon. Right, zest about 1 teaspoon. So almost zest of 1 lemon. In this recipe, guys, you can do a orange curd as well. Okay, you can use orange juice and zest of orange and change the recipe as you like. Just the yellow layer. We don't want the white part because that will make the whole thing very bitter. The zest is the most flavorful. Okay, approximately. And then lemon juice. The recipes are fairly simple. Healthy eating doesn't really require too many ingredients. It's just about knowing what ingredients to use. Okay, almost like juice of 1 lemon. Guys, I'm the only one in the kitchen, so my hands will be moving across. So just cooperate.
So,
yeah. Right, so I have my almond milk and tapioca put into this. I'm just going to turn on the heat. And I'm going to add turmeric. Turmeric is mainly for the color, okay? Slight flavor depending on the kind of turmeric you're using, but mainly it's for the color, okay? So like natural food coloring. For almond milk, the proportion is 1:3, 1 part of almond and 3 parts of water. I will share the link of the recipe. It's there on my Instagram reels. So you can have it like, more of visual look of how to go about it. Okay, depending on how dark, deep yellow you want, you can go up. Okay, I'm going to add the lemon zest and the lemon juice. It will curdle initially, but eventually it will start coming together. Yeah, I guess I'm going to add some more turmeric. And keep mixing it so that there are no lumps. So you want to cook it like it's like a custard consistency, right? So you want to keep in mind as it cools, it will thicken slightly. So though we can adjust it depending, where you're using it eventually. So you don't have to worry much, but just cook it till it's slightly thick, like the thicker version of the custard that we usually make at home. That's what we're looking for. Okay, you see, this is what I have. All right. Okay, so this becomes our lemon curd, which is unsweetened because from here, however you're going to use it, you can sweeten it accordingly. Okay, so this is a lemon curd. So similarly, you can do orange curd. All right, this is done. Yeah, so you see the lemon curd mix. It's not curdled. It's nice and smooth, right? So that's lemon curd. So we're going to blend this along with tofu. And ideally, I might not have added sugar, but if you find it too difficult to consume it without the sugar, we're going to add sugar today. But having a base layer, I felt the sweetness was not too less. Okay, so that goes the right. And there goes our tofu. This is, I'm using a firm tofu because this is what I got. But if you have access to sweetened tofu, please go ahead with that. Okay. Guys, I'm using this because I have this gadget, but you can do easily in a mixer grinder as well. Okay, you can taste at this point and see if you really want sugar, because I'm telling you the base layer is kindly sweet. Okay, I'm just gonna add about 10 grams of sweetener, or if you are using dates in this section, you can do that. So this will become our lemon curd cheesecake mix. Okay. So guys, another thing I want to tell is, since I'm not adding any agar-agar or any setting agent, it won't be like easily scooped kind of consistency. But if you want to do that, you can add about half a teaspoon of agar-agar and then blend it all along together for it to set. Okay. And there's another tip I want to give you. In case you want to make the whole cheese mix creamy, you can add some cashews. Okay, this is not there in the PDF, but make a note. It is just a trick that you can actually use. So 10 grams of sugar if you want to add, and 10 grams of soaked cashews if you want to add. Okay. And if you want to set it, you'll be adding half a teaspoon of agar-agar. Right. And now we do the base layer for this. So just almonds and fresh dates. I mean, dates that are de-seeded. Okay, you want to use dates that are easily squashable. Okay, don't use dates that are dried and hard, because one, your mixer grinder is going to go for a toss and basically it's not going to blend at all. So I have used some local dates here, but you can use the mujul or a couple of other dates that I can't recall the name. Don't use the lion dates that you get in the supermarket, but somehow they don't blend at all. So that becomes our base layer. Right? That's the base mix. Just press it in slightly. Okay, not too hard. It shouldn't be difficult for you to scoop it out later. All right. Right. And now to this, I'm going to add this mix. This will thicken once it cools. Okay, once it goes in the refrigerator, has sat for about minimum 6 hours. For now, it's slightly in the liquid form. So I guess I have some more left, a little left actually. About another 100 ml of it left. Right, so you can make 1.5 of the recipe. Keep this aside.
So,
Thank you so much, guys, and take care and stay in love. Food has for sure is the first love for all of us, right? So take care of your health, take care of yourself, and then you can take care of the rest around you and your loved ones. Right? So have a great week and all the coming days ahead.
okay. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Thanks, Priya.
Thank you, Shita. Bye.